Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to start streaming on Twitch PC. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. This tutorial is mainly for using OBS to stream on Twitch. Okay, so the first step is to download OBS. Go to OBS website, then choose your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I'll click this one. Now after you install it, launch it and it should look like this. Inside, you can see a black screen in the center and a bunch of settings, but I'm gonna walk you through the basics, so you can stream your favorite game on Twitch. Okay, for the first step, on the bottom part, go to Sources Windows and hit the plus sign button. Then, choose the display capture. You can change the name if you want, but I'll just keep it like this, then hit OK. Now this will capture your whole desktop, including your taskbar, like anything on your desktop. But if you want to capture a specific window, hit the plus sign again and you can just choose window capture. Okay, so now that everything's set up, for the most important part, go to settings, then go to streams. Choose Twitch, and then sign in your Twitch account. After you signed in, it should look like this. Click apply and then hit OK. And as you can see, Twitch chat is already there, so you can see your chats as well through OBS. Now you can just click start streaming and you should be good to go. And there you have it. You can now stream in Twitch using OBS. I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.